Hello, and thank you for attending SAGE Alerts and Workflow video-based training. Please note that this is video-based training, and content is for training purposes only and intended for new and existing SAGE Alerts and Workflow customers.
Hi, my name is Jane Nichols, and today we are going to talk about subscribers in event design within the Alerts and Automation solution. Today we will walk through the configuration of an event's subscribers. These are the recipients of alert messages triggered by that event. A subscriber is a person or a computer that is eligible to receive information, for example, alerts, reports, or charts from the solution. Subscribers may receive notifications via email, text message, web browser, and FTP or SFTP. We will work in the ERP application, open an event, and go down to the Subscribers tab, and we will click on Standard. Event subscribers are divided into two groups, standard subscribers and advanced subscribers. A standard subscriber is used when you know the name of the person or the name of the group to be notified, and they are defined in the Subscribers option in the Event Designer tab. Each event can have an unlimited number of standard subscribers, and they may be in any combination of individual users or groups of users. For this event, I have one known subscriber, Jane Doe. If we move to the Advanced option within the Subscribers tab, we can talk about how advanced subscribers are utilized when you want to notify one or more people who are related to or associated with the records being triggered. Let's consider this particular event. This event is identifying new opportunities with clients who are on credit hold. This is where you may want to notify the customer as well as the salesperson who is responsible for that client's account. That's what we mean by advanced subscribers, notifying people who are associated with the opportunity that the client who is on credit hold. Now, when you utilize advanced subscribers, you use the lower of the two grids on the Advanced tab. We will talk about the upper grid in just a moment. In order to utilize advanced subscribers, the query that this event is using has got to retrieve as one of its columns the field or fields that contain the email addresses of the people you wish to notify. I have chosen two fields, customer email and sales rep email. If I click on the drop-down arrow and display the list of field names, these field names come directly from the query associated with this event. I've specified that the customer is the primary email recipient, and the sales rep is going to appear as the carbon copy or CC address for this alert message. You can utilize any of the fields from the underlying database that not only stores a person's email address, as you see in our example here, but if it stores a person's text message number or a webcasting name, that can be used as well. Now, the upper grid is used primarily for what's referred to as the message break field. To make this easier to explain, I'm going to go ahead and remove the advanced subscribers and go back to our standard subscribers. The way that this alert is configured in the solution is that a single alert message would be sent containing the details of all clients on credit hold who have opportunities available. By selecting Jane Doe in the subscriber field as the email recipient, this would use the begin repeat and end repeat in the email tab. Jane Doe would be the recipient of just a single alert message. However, if we had 50 or 100 or more clients on credit hold, instead of receiving just one email that says, "Here are all the customers that have an opportunity and are on credit hold," it might be a lot more useful if a separate email was received for each salesperson who has customers on credit hold. So going back to the advanced option under subscribers, the top of this grid can be used to tell the solution when to break a new message, when your message is making use of the begin repeat and end repeat functionality. Whatever field you choose here immediately becomes a message break field. And so, for example, I can choose salesperson name. And here I'm telling the solution to break to a new message whenever the sales rep associated with a client on credit hold changes. So, if sales rep A has 10 clients with opportunities and are on credit hold, and sales rep B has 5 clients with opportunities and on credit hold, the solution would then generate a separate email for each of the sales reps who have customers with opportunities and the client is on credit hold. Those individual email alerts would get sent to Jane Doe. Be sure to select which deliverable you would like this applied to. So in this instance, I'm going to go ahead and select email to apply the message break field to. To review, the upper grid is primarily used as a message break field, and the lower grid is when you want the solution to notify one or more people who are related to or associated with the record being triggered. This concludes our discussion about subscribers in event design within the Alerts and Automation solutions. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you for attending Sage Alerts and Workflow video-based training.